of the women before proceeding with the dance. The costume consists of orange turbans, fringe jackets, and trousers. The dance is performed in pairs. The men showcase their combative skills in a series of movements. Wielding swords and shields, they chase each other in the right direction followed by left, maintaining a balanced posture and pace. On completion of a round, the pairs attack each other with the swords and shields in a mock battle. They again execute the chase. Finally, they bow to each other, bringing an end to the performance. The warriors are then welcomed back by the women folk. Water is sprinkled on the ankles by the women as a symbolic cleansing of any thoughts relating to revenge.